You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving a question on development of an oblique cylinder. This is the question. The central axis is inclined at 60 degrees to the base and the height is 56. So let's quickly draw the given view. Draw the given view first. Draw it like this. An oblique cone is a cone that the central axis is inclined to an angle other than 90 degrees. So this is 60 degrees set square. This angle is 60 degrees. Instead of using your protractor to measure, just use this one directly. But before this, let us draw the base first. So we'll draw the semicircle because the diameter is 38. If diameter is 38, that means the radius will be 18. So let us measure 18 here. This is 18. You stay here now and draw a semicircle. You can make it a circle if you like. Draw a semicircle. Be very careful. It's not staying very well. You draw a semicircle. So now you divide the semicircle into 12 equal parts, but because it's a semicircle, it will be 6, but we'll still use division of 12. So we stay here now with the same radius of the circle. Mark an arc to the right and to the left. You stay here, mark an arc below, stay on the other side, mark an arc here like that. So I've divided our circle. So you can now take this to the center like this, this and this one like that. So because we have been told that the seam is AA on this side, so we start our labeling from here. Let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we can now draw the elevation. Take this one up, take the central axis up. This is 60 degrees. If you use your protractor to check it, it will definitely give you 60 degrees. Let me transfer this one because my set square is intersecting with the TD board there. Like that. So at any point you can measure, draw a vertical line. And measure this height, 56. One, two, three, four, 5. This is 56. At that point, you draw a horizontal line from that point. So that is So the next thing is to now draw perpendicular line to the surface. because to develop any object you have to draw perpendicular line to the surface to its surface. This is the surface now. You place it, you shift this backward a little. Let's use this one. Put it here. Make sure it is parallel to that line. Then shift it backward a little. Then you can now put this one starting from this point. Now, because the seam is here, put your AA here, AA, then extend this one to the bottom. Now, this is not parallel. Let's check it again. Let's see which one is. The lines are not parallel. You have to be very careful and make sure your lines are perpendicular to the surface, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Parallel to it now. Very well. Shift it backward. This is very well now. This. I hope there will be enough space for my drawing. Let's see it first. So now the next thing is to now measure the circumference. But if you don't have the circumference, you can just take one of these side, like from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, and you mark it 12 times starting from this point. 1, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 11 and 12 may go out of the drawing. So you now draw parallel line to the surface of the, let's see the last one first. Let's see how much it is going out. You have to bear with that. So enter onto the table. It is getting onto the table. So this is the reason why you have to plan your drawings very well before you embark. You plan your space before you embark on the drawing. Otherwise, you come across challenges like this. So now, remember this is our seam. Here, AA is our seam. So you start to label from there. That is 1. This place will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and back to 1. Now, let us begin to develop. You have to develop both the top and the bottom, because it is not perpendicular. Assuming it is perpendicular to the base, then you don't need to develop the bottom, but because it is inclined, so you have to. So let us start. Then you need to also transfer all these ones, 1 2 3. This is this point, this and that, vertically, and then parallel to the surface. If all of us take them vertically upward like this, vertically upward, now you now draw parallel line to the side of the cylinder. Sit on it. Take this one here, take it up to the next one. This is not parallel. Let's check it again. It must be parallel, otherwise the question will be wrong. So parallel like this, this, and the last one, this. Hey, I didn't extend it to get to the top. Now let us begin to now plot. I'll be plotting both the top and the bottom at the same time. Now let us, four of us, plot point 1. 1 at the top will be here, 1 at the bottom will be here. The next one is to plot 2 and 12. You can see 2 and 12, this is 2, this is 12 on this point, and it is from this line. This last line is not coming out fine. So you put it like this. It must be perpendicular to it. You want to put it, use it to do for 2. This is 2, this point, at the top, then at the bottom you have it here. So this is 2, this is number 2, at the bottom it is here, at the top it is here, and it is 2 and 12. So you go to 12, at the bottom it is here, at the top it is at this point. Don't forget our 1 is at the beginning and at the end, so our 1 will also be here, and it will be here. No, at the top, sorry, at the top here. Now, so the next one we want to do is 3 and 11. This is 11, 3 and 11 here. That is this point and this point. Place it parallel to the line, then move it to 3 and at the bottom, then at the top. So 3, this is 3, it is here, and 3 at the bottom is here. Then 11, this is 11 at the bottom, 11 at the top. Now you go to the next one, which is, for the us, place it parallel to one of the line. Go to the middle, which is 10 and 4. 10 and 4, already drawn there, here, and this 10. This is 4. 4 at the bottom is here. You can see 4 going like this, coming to this point, 4, and 4 at the top is here, and it is 4 and 10. 10 is here at the bottom, at the top. Our 10 is here. Now The next one is 9 and 5. This is 9 and 5 going here this way. Like that. Let us draw for the bottom first. Take it to draw the top. That is 10 and 4. 4. No, sorry. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. This is 5 and 9. Then 5 and 9. So the next one is 7. So let us move it a little bit away from the line so that we can capture it very well. No, before 7 we have 8 and 6. 8 and 6, that's this point and this point. So let us draw for the bottom. This is for the bottom, and for the top, this is for the top. That is 8 and 6. Here is 6. 6 is here, and 8 is here. For the top, this is 8. No. This is 8, and this is 6. You can see it's a 6. And the last one is 7. 7, that is 7, it is here. It's here. And the same 7 here is here. So you now join with French curve. Join with French curve. Like this. This one too. Like this. Now you complete this one. Like this. Complete this one. That's for the top. Then you join the bottom as well. This. This. Join this one here. Connect them very well. Join, make sure you join with smooth curve. So that is it. Then you take in the edge like this and like that. So that is the development of the oblique cylinder. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.